I think the short-term benefits to holding an industry placement would be to fill any immediate skills gaps. But I'm looking more at the long term. I think that a pipeline of talent of T-level learners is going to be fantastic for engineering and manufacturing in general. Here at HF Bond, we are primarily a sheet metal contractor working in utilities, but we'll take our hand to pretty much any metal work that's required. We're based in Clopton, which is a small village in Suffolk. A lot of people don't know we are here, but it's a beautiful place to work. There's been a very widely publicised skills gap in engineering and manufacturing. Trying to recruit has been a difficulty, so looking at other ways to get people into the industry is vital for us. Originally I was looking to take on an apprentice. I was finding that quite difficult. Then it was mentioned about T-levels, which is something I knew nothing about. New Anglia Careers Hub put me on to Suffolk New College. I went down and met a load of T-level learners. It's kind of like a speed dating situation where each learner would come to a different employer and have a bit of a chat like an interview. I found Malachi that way. Well, first of all, he'd send over a covering letter and a CV like it would be in the real world. I liked the way he put everything forward, so I invited him in. We had an interview. It's turned out to be fantastic and haven't looked back since.
My name is Malachi and I'm a T-level learner here. I've learned how to operate the laser machine, the press brake. There's one manual one and one automated one using a bit of CAD. And then I've learned how to weld.
When it came to setting up the process of taking on a T-level student, getting a list of requirements for their course was quite straightforward. And I was covering what they already wanted. So yeah, we're really happy that's a smooth process. We spoke to our insurance company for somebody that's under 18 working here. We did a risk assessment and they were totally happy that we covered any needs and there was no issue whatsoever. I'd rather have somebody young and enthusiastic about the industry that wants to come in and forge a career in engineering and manufacturing. I believe T-levels can help meet the challenge of the skill shortage by plugging the gaps initially in the short term, and they gain all the experience that they need on the job training as well as their studies in the college. They can then consider, yeah, this is a career for me and forge a path forward.
Benefit I've definitely learned from this is I know what it's like to come into a workplace and have expectations of me. In the future, I'd like to get in a degree level apprenticeship.
I would totally recommend T-level industry placements to all businesses. Speak to your local college, local provider, take on a T-level student. They're going to be a great talent pipeline for the future. That's my belief. That's what I'm seeing at the moment. Please consider taking on a student. They're amazing.